What matters most, destination or journey? Well, the answer might be very much dynamic and depending on the situation. For me, I always prefer to get both in my pocket as far as this trip is concerned.
है वीडियो में इम्पॉसिबल
भाई
ट्रैक।
लेकिन ये लेना है कि नहीं लेना वो बता पहले मैं पात लेना है कि
अरे
नहीं
मुझे
लेना
लगता है ये पत्ता नहीं होना चाहिए बेसिकली।
पहले? ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए
वो दूसरे वाले पाते हैं, ये तो बहुत स्लिपरी पाते हैं, मतलब
स्लिपरी क्या बनता है
एक्चुअली
पूरा पैर घुस
स्कीइंग का पाते हैं।
ए नहीं नहीं चल किरण में दम है तो चल मैं रेडी है।
चल भाई चल, जिसमें दम
बता
नहीं, चल चल चल
तेरे को चलना ही नहीं चलना है।
चलना है, चल
चलो
चलो डिसाइड हो गए, चलो ए सेना चलो।
आई एम गिविंग यू वन मोर चांस। डू यू वांट टू कम और नो?
आई वांट टू कम, यू वांट टू कम और नो?
आई एम गोइंग।
ओके देन लेट्स गो।
ये चिन्ह में क्या क्या हो रहा है यार?
Sometimes what matters is the journey without thinking of the destination and what you apparently learn from that journey. Because you never lose anything. Either you win or either you learn. This winter hike was highly difficult for us because of our decisions. But in the end, we came up with a lot of memories and learning lessons. So just enjoy this vibe with us.
Good morning everyone. So today we are going to Alps just to explore some winter Alps, and it is going to be normal hike. Let's see. I'm pretty excited to go it. It's totally dark when we left, and also it's raining. Let's say, and this is my first try with GoPro, so I don't know how the recording will be and how will be the audio quality, so just hope for the best and continue.
To reach Spitzingsee, which is base for the Rotwand hike, you can take train till Bayerischzell, and from Bayerischzell you can take bus till Spitzingsee Kirche. From here basically there are two routes. Don't go with the routes which is shown on Google Map, as this was the biggest mistake we did for this particular hike. Use Komoot application or ask local people, that's better.
स्पिटी वैली भाई
सॉरी, क्या बोला?
मनी में स्पिटी वैली आ गई है भाई ये।
So now we have reached to Spitzingsee Kirche, and from here basically you can start the trek. Hey, बीच बीच में मत बोलो रे, ये लोग क्या है?
मैं वो जेन्युइन कंसर्न बता रहा है फैक्ट्री का।
Meet these people, and we have some new member also. Let meet the new member also.
फॉर लैंड।
Hey भाई लोग, तेरा इंट्रो दे दो चलो अपना अपना फटाक से।
आई एम अनुराग गुप्ता, आई लव माय सेल्फ।
भाई
आई एम जय। पूरा नाम बताओ, पूरा नाम।
Hi guys, this is Neeraj Gupta here, and we came here to
Reporting
the
live
Spiti
from-
Valley
Spiti Valley of German.
Hi guys, this is Praveen here.
हाय प्रतीक.
अरे इन दोनों को तो मालूम है भाई. दिस इज ये भी यूट्यूबर था ना, ये भी यूट्यूबर था एकदम है ना. दिस इज भरत बाय द वे.
Hi.
These people are trying to recreate Shimla Manali feel here in Germany.
Murder the snowman.
चालू हो गया भाई, चालू हो गया.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
It's like Christmas.
Jingle all the way, oh jingle all the way. No 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 no. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Jingle. नहीं कह रहे अंदर, मैंने सोचा ज़्यादा अंदर जाएगा.
मेरे को भी लगा
भागने के बाद अंदर इधर अंदर गया. गीला हो गया बे. अरे भाई बंद कर.
सिनेमैटिकली व्यू लेते हैं पीछे.
Route which we have taken was ideal for summer season because in winter it turns snow skiing path. The reason we took that route because it was shorter. But yes, remember shorter is not
दर्शन को जाना सब लोग. By the way, this is very slippery. This snow is very slippery. This side is basically this side or either this side is basically for snow skiing, and there are actually two routes, but unfortunately we came from the route which is very much slippery. Let's see. We have to go till there.
Impossible try.
लेकिन ये लेना है कि नहीं लेना वो बता पहले. पाथ लेना है.
अरे मुझे लगता है ये पत्ता नहीं होना चाहिए बेसिकली.
ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
वो दूसरे वाला पास ये तो बहुत स्लिपरी पाते हैं. मतलब
स्लिपरी क्या बनता है?
एक्चुअली स्कीइंग का पाते हैं.
ए नहीं नहीं चल, तेरे में दम है तो चल, मैं रेडी है.
चल भाई चल. जिसमें दम
बता.
नहीं, चल चल चल.
तेरे को चलना ही नहीं चलना.
चलना है चल.
चलो चलो डिसाइड हो गए. चलो ए सेना चलो.
I am giving you one more chance. Do you want to come or no?
I want to come. You want to come or no?
I am going.
Okay. Then let's go.
बॉर्डर पे हमारे जवान लड़ रहे हैं. ऐसा करेंगे. सियाचिन में क्या क्या हो रहा है देख तू. सियाचिन में क्या क्या हो रहा है यार.
Look at this blue color. ये नीरज के दिन.
Route was difficult to climb up anyways, and on top of that, due to insufficient winter hike gear and bad weather condition, we decided to abort this hike and go to Spitzing. This is how we travel our return path.
अरे भाई भाई.
अपने कंटेंट तो निकल ही है.
So
लेसन्स लर्न टुडे.
but पहला तो बताना पड़ा क्या किया. ट्रैक
क्या
क्या
किया?
तू एडिट बाद में करना.
ट्रैक का
लेसन्स लर्न बोल दे.
So
Do's and don'ts.
decision for now is we are not going to continue our trek just because of some
We were
issues,
not
and
prepared.
so my friend will explain the lesson learned.
So we were
Golab and
प्रवीण सिंह.
प्रवीण
मिस्टर
सिंह.
प्रवीण सिंह.
बता भाई क्या हुआ है.
So
प्रवीण इधर से आ.
बीच में अब इधर फोकस.
बता भाई.
So first of all, make sure you have a proper hiking kit, like
Okay.
the basic kit, spikes, shoes,
Shoes, and just I will show you which shoes we have. Look at this.
Look at this guy with Puma sports.
Puma
shoes.
sports shoes.
trying to complete winter hike in knee deep snow.
We thought we are in Manali. We thought we are in Manali. I
Yeah.
think. We thought we are in Shimla Manali, but it's not Shimla Manali. It's Alps basically. And temperature is also very cold.
Actually, we
And
should
plus it's
also
raining.
have Proper winter gloves, not the.
And this is also not proper winter gloves. I will show. This is just gloves, and it's woolen gloves. So
Gets wet.
yeah, it gets wet if you touch to the snow or something like that.
You can get frostbite.
So for now plan is basically we will just
Roam around.
roam with this like roam around the lake with the route, and we will try to shoot some drone videos and just try to chill out. And yeah, that's it, I think. Look at this view, it's so much beautiful and so much amazing. Lake, the sunshine, and all white snow around the Alps, and this cloud. Video kadu. Weather is so dynamic here. Some minutes before there was sun, now it's totally foggy. You can't see even the lake. Basically here is a lake. You can't see that also. I don't know this is lake or even this, but probably this should not be a lake. Yeah, but it's so dynamic weather. You can't even see the mountains. I think visibility just might be some 10 to 20 meters probably. Yeah, but it's a good experience and we had a lot of fun, and we are still going to do a lot of fun. So yeah, let's see. Hi bro, Anurag, how are you?
Bro, what? Whole day we hang out, no fish together. Come on, bro.
नहीं जा रहा हूँ मैं।
ये जूता।
कंटेंट चाहिए, 84% चाहिए। सावत,
वीडियो चालू है भाई।
What not?
भाई जूता गया मेरे शूज भाई,
जूता दे दो
वीडियो टास्क भाई शूज
तू इसमें पैर डाल।
एक मिनट रुक, मिल गया ये ग्लव पे निकालो।
After this, we just enjoyed and played in snow and did some jugnu dance.
मैं चाहे तू पहना है, मैं निकाल हाँ झाड़ दे।
भाई किधर डाल रहा है तू?
ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट के लिए क्या है पता है क्या बनता है? फर्स्ट के लिए ऐसा है, ये देख, मुंडी लो, राइट में झुकाओ, अब सेल्फ राइट, ओके, राइट में टना ना ना टना।
अबे कंधा क्यों झुकाना है?
राइट कंधा की राइट सिंपल
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4।
रियल हैप्पीनेस।
Hot water in cold winter.
तेरा मोबाइल दे।
After all this enjoyment, we are now going back. Because weather is very much cold, too much foggy. We can't see anything. Like visibility is almost, I think, till 10 meter only. Now, so it's better to go home because now there is no point to do hike or something because we don't have proper shoes, we don't have proper gear, and now my shoes is pretty wet. So let's see.
Now we are heading home from our trip to, where did we go today? Road 1. Almost Road 1. But yeah, almost there. Super fun. What do you have to say about it?
Super fun, but still super fun. So fights, no fight, jugnu dance.
It was a very eventful day, we have to say that. How was your day?
Good, very good।
Very
Mr.
good.
Gupta.
And then we also have Praveen Singh over here.
Mr. Singh.
Mr. Singh,
He is busy with someone else.
he is busy with his girlfriend now maybe. And I am Anurag Gupta
Signing off.
signing off for today, and we had a lot of fun.
That's all for this travel vlog. See you next time. Till then, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, don't forget to press that bell icon for notification of my new upcoming videos.
Ooh.